Hello and welcome to all our viewers. This is a special webinar series under Mega Home Utsav 2020, a unique online home shopping festival spread over a month where Housing.com will connect home buyers with reputed developers across the country. I am your host Surpi Gupta and today we have with us very esteemed panelists from BBCL Group. I would like to welcome Mr. Hemant Taparia, Vice President. Welcome, sir. Mr. Srinivasan Sivarao, Marketing Advisor at BBCL Group,
Hi.
and Mr. Raj Sekhar R,
Hi.
Senior Manager Sales at BBCL Group. Welcome all of you. Mr. Hemant, please introduce BBCL Group and the project that we'll be discussing today.
BBCL, we are there in the industry in real estate for the last 40 plus years, and we've completed more than 40 plus projects. We have more than 2,000 plus happy families. So yes, it's been a quite a good journey, and we are into three segments across Chennai. We cater to clients with premium, luxury, and ultra luxury projects.
Okay, that's great. So before we begin, let me show you some glimpses of BBCL Group and its project in Chennai. Can we have the video, please? That was a great video. Now let's begin with some question answers. Mr. Hemant, I want to know from you, there have been a number of media reports saying that housing projects in Chennai are actually driving real estate growth in the city amid COVID. How would you react to that, Mr. Hemant?
Yes, absolutely. In fact, not only BBCL, but all the builders fraternity is really surprised and very happy with the kind of response that the people of Chennai are, looking to. You would have also seen the reports from Mrs. Bila Rajesh also. In November, we've had the highest number of registrations. In fact, people post-COVID, now they are, getting to understand the value of a own house. Earlier, people used to, pay rents and, used to be at a used to keep shuttling here and there. Now people want an individual house. People are, wanting to buy their own land and construct. And today's discussion is also BBCL Villa, which is a complete, individual houses that we are building, 180 villas which are coming up in Tiruvarkadu. We've had a fantastic response post, lockdown.
Okay, so that comes to my second question. How is the home buyer sentiment in Chennai market, and have the home buyers' preferences changed due to COVID-19? What do you have to say about it, Mr. Hemant?
Yes, the preferences have changed. Of course, people who were who used to rent out apartments, who had the capability to buy an apartment but never used to, they used to manage in rented apartments. Now they are all buying their own apartment. People who were in individual in their own apartments, now they want to move in their own individual house. So the difference, mostly the people who were living alone, like parents who used to live alone, they also want a secure and a complete safe community to stay in. So that those segment crowd, people don't want to live here and there. So that's of course a big change due to COVID-19.
Okay. So now I would like to request Mr. Rao to proceed with the project presentation. Can we have the presentation on screen, please?
Yeah.
Over to you, Mr. Rao.
Hi, thank you everyone actually for joining in the noon time actually to discuss about BBCL Villa Heaven. So this is a project actually which we are constructing on a 8.1 acres consisting of 180 independent villas. So it's a 3 and 4 BHK private boutique villas what we are coming up. So it's an under construction project. So it has got a clubhouse with all the lifestyle amenities that one is expecting to have a sort of a premium lifestyle. So this project is coming up in the location of Thiruvarkadu. So can we just go to the next slide? Yeah. So this is one of the most important question actually which people had during the time of lockdown. So why people are preferring for a villa or an independent house? Because one, it gives a complete ownership of the land what their home is giving. The next one is it elevates the esteem of a buyer compared to staying in a residential flat which has got a shared UDS. This buying a villa or an individual house, you are getting a complete land and complete house where you are staying, and so it gives esteem for a buyer. The next one is it gives a complete freedom from the neighbors' disturbance. Not everyone would like to stay in an apartment community. Some would like to have a private lifestyle. So villas and individual houses, it suits better. So that is one of the reason actually people also prefer for a villa or an individual house. The next one is yes. This is a major thing actually. If you're staying in an apartment, you can't do the interiors change. You have to take a permission from the association. So association might agree, may not agree. So at the max, you can do only the color change. So here, being in a villa, actually, it gives a lot of flexibility and freedom where you can do all the interior modification. You can extend the villa. Maybe you can construct one floor. So a lot of advantages are there going for a villa or an independent house. So let's go to the next slide. So coming to the point, like again, within the villa and individual house, actually, which is better? Actually, that is one often question actually which Mr. Rajshekhar has faced. The thing is, why I should not buy a land and construct a house of my own? So that is one prominent question which comes up very often. So the thing is, if you're staying in a villa community, it is a secure community. It gives a lot of privacy. You get a lot of lifestyle amenities. It has got a lower maintenance cost. Say, for example, you are building an individual home and you are putting a security guard. So you have to pay the salary for the security guard. So it is going to be 12,000 rupees at the minimum. Whereas if you are staying in a community project, the maintenance cost will be 3 rupees per square feet at the max. So even if you're buying a villa for 2,000 square feet, so the total maintenance cost itself will be 6,000 square per month. The next one is if you're building a house of your own, this is going to be a big headache for many people. They have to shuttle through multiple government agencies to get the approvals. If you are staying in a villa community, then you've got an association for backing it up. If there are any issues happening, you're never alone. Association is always there for you to back up. Then again, since villa projects either has a DTCP approval or CMDA approval, it has got a better resale value compared to an individual house. So this has got a better resale value. And more importantly, people would like to stay in a like-minded community. So if you're going for an individual house, every houses will be built of different shapes and sizes. So people may be from a different background. So some people may not like to stay in such sort of a places. People would like to be there in a like-minded community. So villa projects, yes, actually, a lot of people, they prefer over the individual houses. So we'll go to the next slide. So now, if for the benefit of people actually who are not staying in Chennai, so we divide Chennai as Central Chennai, North Chennai, South Chennai, and West Chennai. So that is how we classify Chennai residential market. South Chennai is largely developed because of OMR IT belt. Whereas North Chennai, what is happening is it was not taken care because of a lot of industries and pollution, which was primarily the concern. So people, not many builders actually, they prefer North Chennai, but the scenario is changing with the metro connectivity. And West Chennai, it is now getting preference because with the phase 2 construction of metro, the Pundamalli road will be connected to Madhavaram in the north, Sirseri in the south, Lighthouse in the central part of Chennai, and you can also easily connect to the Bangalore. And the proposed airport is coming up in Parandu, so that is also an added advantage. So you don't have to travel all the way to the existing airport. So there are a lot of traction which is coming up in the West Chennai. And if you look at the last 3 months, 80% of the new launches have come up in the West Chennai. And now West Chennai is being called as OMR 2, especially from the Mount to Pundamalli, towards the Porur and towards the Pundamalli. Actually, a lot of IT projects are going to come up. So there is an estimate that 3.5 million square feet of IT office spaces are under proposal with CMDA. So once they approve that projects, lot of job opportunities are going to come up in that particular locality that is going to create a residential value. And with metro connectivity coming up in 5 to 7 years of time, so West Chennai is going to be the place. And most important thing is, and OMR actually, that a lot of people they face with the groundwater problem, either it is salty or they don't get the groundwater. That is not the scenario as far as the West Chennai is concerned. So a lot of lakes are there, so underground water is much better. So a lot of people are preferring towards the Mount to Porur Pundamalli side, and also towards the Ambattur side, Padi side. Yeah. So we'll go to the next slide. So let's get into the project. As I mentioned, this project is located at Thiruvarkadu. So it is hardly 2 kilometers from Madurai Junction. This project from Velapanjabri, it is hardly 900 meters from the Velapanjabri signal. This is a CMDA approved project, as well as we have got a RERA approval for this project. As I mentioned, it is 3 and 4 BHK private duplex villas. 180 families will be staying in 8.1 acres. Actually, I would like to mention, stress on this particular point. Generally, what happens is, in 1 acre of land, actually builders, they construct around 80 to 120 flats. So if it is 8 acres, then generally 1,000 residential flats will be built in an area of 8.1 acres. So compared to 1,000, actually we are just coming up with 180 villas. So you can see a lot of spaces. So each family, even if they are having only 4 in a family, so you can just do a small simple math. So 4,000 people staying compared to roughly around 500, 600 people staying in that 8.1 acres. So you get a lot of space, a lot of privacy, less lower population density. So a lot of advantages are there buying a property in BBCL Villa Heaven. We'll go to the next slide. Yes. So this is a master plan for BBCL Villa Heaven. So at the entrance, we have got a commercial complex. Mr. Rashekar will also carry forward towards the live drone. So we have 6 types of villas: type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5, and type 6. Right now, type 3 and type 4 villas are sold out. We are coming up with a few more type 4 villas in future. But right now, we have inventory in type 1, type 2, type 5, and 6, which we'll discuss further in detail. So we have a clubhouse of a clubhouse, as well as with the OSR, roughly around 10% of the 8.1 acres we have dedicated for the open door, play area. Next slide, please. So this is a type 1 villa which I was talking about. The land extent is 1,027 square feet. We are building up with a villa size of 1607 square feet. So this is the type of elevation what you will be getting it in a type 1 villa. Next slide. Which we'll discuss further in detail. So we have a clubhouse of. So this is a type 2 villa what we have got. So this is built on a land of 1436 square feet. Villa size is 1779 square feet. So this is a facade what you'll be getting it for a type 2 villa. Next slide. So in type 5, this is the smallest size of villa what we have got. So we are building it on a land extent of 691 square feet, and the villa size is 1179 square feet. Next one. So type 6, this is the largest type of villa what we have got. So this is being built on a 1900 plus square feet with a villa size of roughly 2500 square feet. So we have different variations within this villa types also, but primarily these are the inventories what we have got. Next slide, please. Yeah. So this is the clubhouse facade what we have got. So the clubhouse has got a gymnasium, swimming pool, indoor games area, party deck, yoga room is there, aerobics room is there. In outdoor, actually, we are coming up with a party lawn with the amphitheater, gazebo is there, jogging track is there, kids play area is there. So roughly, whatever the amenities one would expect in a premium community, we are providing everything in this 8.1 acres. Next slide. Whenever someone is interested in buying a property for themselves, or if an investor is looking for a property which has got a rental yield or maybe a return on investment, so they would obviously look into the location. So which location they need to invest and which project they need to invest. So if you look at Villa Heaven, actually within 5 to 10 kilometers of the space, actually we have Coimbatore, Punamali, Madurai flyover is there. Ambattur Industrial Estate is just less than 10 minutes. Mogaber is there in less than 10 minutes. Avadi railway station is there. So we are at a very strategic location, which is all accessible in 5 to 10 minutes of time. Yeah, next slide, please. And apart from the location, people would also consider what are the schools, colleges, the hospitals, entertainment facility around the community. So all these schools and hospitals, it is there within 2 to 3 kilometer of radius. If it is an entertainment is something actually just comes up when the development activity happens. Right now they are in the 10-kilometer radius, but as the metro is connecting Punamali to the central part of Chennai, we expect a lot of entertainment hubs to be coming up on Punamali Road. Yeah, next slide. Yes. So this is the offer actually which we are giving it for the people right now. So this is a type 1 villa, which is a fast moving inventory what we have got. So that is from 95 lakh onwards. And we are also giving a free registration if someone can do the booking and registration before November 30th. Next slide, please. So I will also quickly run through the other projects what we have got. One, we have got a BBCL Breeze, which is an ultra luxury project, which is there in Kill Park, which is a 3, 4, 5 BHK apartments ranging from 2680 to 4100 square feet. So we have another villa project in Manapakam near to DLF IT Park, which is BBCL Stanberry. We also have a ready to move luxury project in BBCL Vajra near Mogaper. So these are the luxury projects what we have got. The next slide, please. We also have project in Perumudi, BBCL Evita, which is right next to RMS at IT Park. The next one is opposite Satyabama University. We have got BBCL Midland, and we have got a project in BBCL Harshika behind the Chennai airport. So right now we are running free registration offer for almost all the projects, considering that this is the Diwali season, festive season. A lot of people already they are coming up for a lot of inquiries and booking. So we are just aiding that process with a free registration. Next slide, please. Yeah. So should we maybe you can just go to the question session and after that the live round.
Yeah. I would request our audience members to please drop in their queries in Q&A section. We'll try to answer most of them. So let's pick some questions we have already received from our audience member. First question is about the land. So Mr. Rajsekar, I would direct this question to you. Is this land leasehold or freehold? Will I be able to extend the bill structure in future? Mr. Rajsekar, what would you like to say about this?
Yeah, it's a freehold property.
Okay. Okay, and will the buyer be able to extend the bill structure in future if they want?
Yeah, in future you can extend.
Okay. Okay. Next question is about the returns. He's saying, how much returns can I expect in future from this location? Mr. Rajsekar, what would you like to say about this?
So 7 to 10 years, you can expect double the amount.
Okay. We lost your voice in between. Can you repeat your answer, please? Mr. Raj,
Okay, maybe I'll just pitch in again. I think he was trying to say the returns will be double the investment what they're doing it in 7 to 10 years of period.
Okay, okay. So, does this project have all the clearances from the authority, and what is the possession date? Mr. Rao, would you be able to help?
Yeah, see, as I mentioned in the presentation, this is a CMDA approved project. We also have taken the RERA approval in place, and uh, the possession time is roughly 8 to 12 months. Actually, not more than that. Actually, it's a villa project, so we'll be able to do it much faster. So already we can just see in the live drone shoot actually the type of construction work which is happening at a rapid pace.
Okay, so let's go to the drone location. I would request our drone pilot, Mr. Sai, to please take us to the location. And over to you, Mr. Sai.
Yes, we are connected now.
Sure.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
This is the project entrance.
Mr. Ratsikar, can you just explain the location to our viewers who are watching us right now?
Yeah, I think he lost the voice. Actually, on the left side, actually we saw the marketing office which is there, and on the back of the marketing office we have the model villa, which is a 4 BHK villa what we have got, and roughly around 40 villas right now they are under construction parallelly. So you can see all these villas being constructed. And on the top right side, actually, which you are seeing it near to the lake, there will be the clubhouse with the outdoor amenities, what we have got. So yes, in this locality, yeah. And that is the road, actually, what we are seeing it. And this is a secured community. We have got all the entrances covered with the security as well as with CCTV camera. And yes, actually, you have a scenic Thiruvekadu lake is there. So you can always expect a cool breeze, actually, even the summer days. So that is an added advantage for people who is buying a villa in this property. Yeah, so you can see all the piling work, the construction work which is going on. The moment people does a booking, actually immediately we'll go for registration of the land, then we'll start the construction work of the villa, and in 8 months of time we'll be handing over the villa to the people. So this is a marketing office what we have. And this is the model villa. That one is the marketing office. Yeah, this one is the model villa. Yeah, you can take a little closer. Maybe to the eye level contact. Yes. So this is the exact facade actually what you can see it on the brochure, and the exact way actually we have replicated the model villa. So you can also see the people who are taking care of the gardening work, the construction which is happening at a rapid pace. Maybe can we just take it to the entrance again, so that people have a other side look of, yeah, towards the entrance. Maybe the aerial view. All right. Maybe the aerial view, so that we can have the road connectivity for this. Right, right, yeah. So this is a road actually which is coming from Velappanjavadi signal and towards Thiruvarkadu temple. That's a great look. So you can just count number of villas being constructed. So it is even more than 40 actually what we are constructing it right now. Right.
Well, thank you, Mr. Sai, for the drone shoot. Okay, let's get back to some question answers again. So there is a question about the sample villa. Yeah, first of all, we have already seen the sample villa is ready. So this person wants to know what are the facilities available in the project and inside the property. So Mr. Rajsekar, can you hear me?
It's a community-based property.
Okay.
We are provided a clubhouse and swimming pool and everything we are provided.
Okay.
And we are given a 1 acre OSR place.
Okay.
Okay. Facilities, we are provided CCTV cameras, video call service systems, and security.
Okay. 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 Next question is from Mr. Vijay Sankar. He's asking which banks can offer me home loan for this project. So Mr. Rajsekar, what would you like to say about this?
Maximum leading banks are approved. SBI, SDFC, Canara Bank, City Union Bank, they are approved.
Okay. Next question is from Mr. Kuru. He's asking, I'm looking for a 4 BHK villa in rupees 80 lakh range. Do you have any option in that range? So Mr. Rajsekar, what would you like to say about this?
Yes, we have a 3-bedroom starting from 66 lakhs to 95 lakhs. But 4-bedroom, we have to start from 1 crore budget.
Okay, okay. So what is the booking amount right now? One of the anonymous attendee wants to know, Mr. Rajsekar.
Yeah, right now we are collecting token advance of 1 lakh for the villa.
Okay, so we have a number of live queries right now. This is about this is from Miss Jesleen. She's asking, can the buyer opt to buy only the villa plot and make his or own construction? So Mr. Rajsekar, what would you like to say about this?
No, ma'am. It's an end product. We have to BBCL only build the villa. We cannot do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Should we actually, just to add a point to this, as I mentioned in the presentation, actually this is a community where people would like to be relevant with, say for example, a like-minded community.
Yeah.
And we do not want the people to construct a home of their facade, so that will the ambience of the project will go off.
Yeah.
So yes, actually there are plots available in the nearby vicinity, but we are not interested to sell as a plot.
Okay. Okay.
We want to give it as a better lifestyle community.
Okay. Okay. So we are
Yeah.
left with very less time. So I'll be picking last two questions from our audience member. This question is from Mr. Karthik. He's asking, is the construction is happening rapidly now or in hold due to COVID-19 or labor issues? So Mr. Rao, I'll direct this question to you. What would you like to say?
See, as you saw in the live drone, a lot of construction is happening. Yes, labors are little lower, but having said that, we are trying to put more man hours into the project. As the relaxations are happening, we'll also bring in more labors. As the situation is normalizing, we'll bring in more labors. But as you saw in the live drone, a lot of construction activity is already happening, and we are confident that we'll be able to deliver the villa in 8 months of time.
Okay, okay. And last question is, I'm picking up Mr. Bharat. He's asking, what is the distance of this project from the nearest proposed metro station? So, Mr. Rao, would you be able to?
Okay, actually, the metro connectivity is not exactly in the Thiruvarkadu region, but towards the Poonamali. So it is roughly 2.5 kilometers. And, the metro services also offer the feeder services. So with the feeder services coming in, this is very closer to the metro. And from Poonamali, you will be able to connect to Madhavaram. Otherwise, the travel time would be around 1 hour, 15 minutes. And if you want to go to Siriseri, it is going to be 2 hours of time, which will again cut down by around 40 minutes. And if you want to go towards Lighthouse, again, there is also connectivity.
Okay.
So, and again, if you want to go to Bangalore, that is again an added advantage what you're getting in.
Okay.
So it's very strategically located.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, this was all for today. You can revisit this video on our Facebook page and YouTube. I would now request a panelist to give us the closing remarks. Over to you, Mr. Rao. What would you like to say our viewers who are watching you right now?
Yeah. As I said before, this is one of the best projects actually where if you're looking for end investment, you get a premium lifestyle with all lifestyle amenities. If you're an investor, if you're looking for a rental yield, if you're looking for a return on investment, it is very strategically located. You've got all the hospitals and educational institutions within 3 kilometers of radius, all the entertainment hubs within 10 kilometers of radius. So it's a very prominent location with a prominent project, which is definitely you can't miss out.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rao, for joining us. Mr. Rajsekhar, your closing remarks, please. What would you like to say to our viewers? Why they should invest in BBCL?
I think lost is connectivity.
Yeah, I think Mr. Rajsekhar cannot hear us.
Again, please.
Yeah. So your closing remarks, please. What would you like to say our viewers? Why they should invest in BBCL Villa Heaven?
Hello.
Should be here. I think his network is having issues.
Yeah, I think there's some technical issues. Well, thank you panelists for joining in. Thank you viewers for watching. Feel free to drop your queries on our social media channel. We'll see you soon in the next Home Utsav webinar. Till then, take care and happy.
Shubhi, maybe can you just show the slide? You can just display the contact details so that for the benefit of people who have joined in for the webinar.
Of course, that we will do. That we will do. No problem. Team, can we have the slide?